Hey Team Radiant, it's Pastor Maddie, and I am here with a really exciting update for you guys. We mentioned to you recently that we were going to be gaining some square footage, and our neighbors have moved out, which means that we get to move in, and we are really excited to be gaining this nearly 2,000 extra square feet that we're going to be able to use. This is really exciting for a few reasons. We're going to be able to add extra counseling offices for our partners at New Life Counseling. We're going to be able to add offices for Pastor Bob and his company Libertas that assists in addictions counseling. We're going to be able to use this extra 2,000 square feet for so many incredible things. But one thing that we're really excited about to use it for in the meantime is for kids ministry as we are under construction. And to give us a little more information on that, I'm going to hand it to our kids director, Hannah.
Hey Radiant, it's Hannah, your Pleasant Hill Kids Director. I'm so excited for this new space that we're gaining. We're going to be having Radiant Kids in one location throughout the rest of construction. So instead of walking through our doors, through our main doors, we're going to be walking through these doors over here. You'll come in and weave through here a little bit, but that's okay. Right here is where we'll have check-in. There's plenty of space to check in your kids and feel comfortable in this space. Then if you come down the hall a little bit, this will be where our nursery toddlers are. There's plenty of space for them and they'll have a fantastic time. Then if you keep coming down, this is where we're gonna have elementary and pre-K. There's plenty of space for them, access to bathrooms, access to drinking fountains, and tons of room to have fun. Can't wait to see you Sunday.